Okay people, this is probably atrocious light levels, and as you can tell I'm sort of echoing a bit here. Only light I've got is actually out of my phone. Where I am right now is actually a government tunnel for a pipeline that was excavated in the 1800s. Much of it very hard done. They didn't do it very easily. Got slate, and I've got massive big loads of quartz in the slate. But I tell you what, it is as cool as chips in here. I sort of shouldn't be in here really, but there's a few insects that are in here because it's cool, and I tell you what, it's a beautiful temperature. Now it's around about 32 degrees Celsius outside, or it was. So it's around, 89, maybe it might be down to as low as 86 or something outside, but it is so cool in here. It is absolutely beautiful. It's like standing in front of the open fridge door. So that is an off-grid option for keeping cool. As I said, I was talking about underground buildings. Well, right now I am in a tunnel that is completely out of slate and made many, many years ago by pick and shovel pretty much. I wonder how's a water pipe. There you go.